Welcome to P, Day 2. I typically enjoy adding thickness by using a light gray pen or even like a light pink or something like that. But for contrast, you really want to have white and black, so we're not going to do that here. Instead, let's build up our letter with the downstrokes being thicker and draw those in. When you draw them in, you don't just want to do them only on one side. You want to keep the proportions. So think, should it be drawn on the inside of the line or on the outside of the line? What will maintain proportion? For this one, I'm going to draw it on the inside and then here on the outside. There's no rule to follow other than maintaining the overall look and proportion of your letter. Now that we've sketched all of that in, we have one other thing to sketch in before we actually go in and color it out to add our contrast. You can definitely use this and draw a circle, but let's draw a random straight-sided enclosed shape. You want to make sure that you are cutting across your letter frequently, and that will give a lot of interest. You also want to make sure though that the important points of your letter for legibility are clear and easy to see. Next day, we are going to start coloring this in. So of course, first we need to go through and erase our extra pencil.